How to log into HLF Earning. Hi guys, it's Mikran from Earning Basics. Today I'll be guiding you how to log into HLF Earning. Login in HLF Earning is quite easy, so without any delay, let's get started. Open your web browser, launch your preferred web browser on your computer. Visit HLF Earning, type HLF Earning, login into the address bar of your web browser and press enter. Click on first link, it will take you directly to the login page. Enter your credential. On the login page, you will typically see fields to enter your username and your password. Input the username associated with HLF Earning in the designated field. Then enter the password in the provided field. If you have forgotten your password, click on Forgot Your Password. Click on Sign In. After entering your credential, click on the Sign In button to proceed. Verify if necessary. Depending on your account setting, you may need to complete a verification step. This could involve entering a verification code sent to your email or phone number. And here you go, it's done. If you liked our video, press the thumbs up and share button. If you have any question, comment down below and don't forget to subscribe the channel for more tutorials.